Ooh, look at that beautiful male cardinal. We're getting a late start to as the bird feeder turns today. Because Mama had to clean the bird bath. It was very nasty. And even though it was cleaned earlier today, it's already gotten some leaves in it. And I had to refill the bird feeders because they were almost empty. You know what? You want some loving, huh, Boo-Boo? Huh? And Boo-Boo is up here chillaxing on one of the window sheets. And the guard kitty is over there waiting for a squirrel. Oh yeah, we got some squirrel action. Oh, he jumped on that branch. So he's going from the tree, see, down the branch and then onto the shepherd's hook. So he's not going from the ground up, he's going from the tree down. Ooh, clever little squirrel. And there's a little squirrel on the ground. Let's see if I can get a zoom in shot of him. Look at that cutie pie. Oh, yep, they must have been needing some fresh water today. Yep. I've had so many migraines I was not able to clean the bird feeder for quite a while. But as you can see, not only the birds, but the squirrels also need fresh water, guys. Hello there, Mr. or Mrs. Squirrel. Aren't you adorable? You must have been hungry and thirsty. I'm sorry it's been a few days since I didn't fill the bird feeders or the bird bath. You apparently were hungry and thirsty, and these guys have been missing their live TV. Oh, there's 3 squirrels out there. There's one on the fence, one on the ground, and 2 on the feeder here. So there's 3 squirrels out here. Baby Precious is like, oh yeah. Mama, can I have just one squirrel? Just one squirrel, Mama? And another one went on to the bird bath. And they're fighting over this bird feeder right here. And look at how many times they're on the bird bath. Now they're making me feel really bad because I had not had any fresh water out for them for days. I feel really bad. So see, 1, 2, 3 squirrels. Huh, Bubba? You love your live TV, huh? See, the squirrel's like, I don't care. I know there's glass between me and him. There's the 2 on the ground. And then this cute little one right here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in and let you all see him chowing down. Because now that I don't have the screens on my window, I'm getting really good shots of these squirrels. Yep, pigging out. Din din time. And my azaleas are in bloom. I have several azalea bushes in my yard. I really want to plant some hydrangea bushes in my front yard. Let's see, is there anybody? Yep, there's still a squirrel at the bottom. One at the top. Where did the third one go? And I think the cardinal took off. Oh, there's the third one. He was over in the tree. Yep. He's picking up all the ones that fall out of the feeder. And BP here is like, I just want one of them squirrels. Just one. It's like, I think, going on 6:30, close to 7. Yeah, so that the sunlight's almost gone. BP, you're never ever gonna get a squirrel. Okay, guys. We're gonna wrap up today's edition of As the Bird Feeder Turns because the light is dying. And I think that's enough squirrel for today. As always, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, love, hugs, and Kitty kisses. Bye, guys.